Hi everyone. We're back. Another beautiful day here in Costa Rica. We got a good one for you today. Today we're meeting with a local agent and she's offered to take us around to show you all the accommodations that are available here in Coco. From rental to purchase to new construction to pre-construction, all the way through. So we're going to give you all those options if this is something that you might think of doing or thinking about doing.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you what's available there.
Yeah.
So come along with us and meet Brenes from Palms Real Estate. Come with us and enjoy Costa Rica. Through the eyes of a couple of snowbirds, we'll share what we know, what we've experienced, recall the first time we ventured down here, what to see and what to watch out for. Mostly good, sometimes concerning. Come walk with us, enjoy an iced coffee, sit back and relax.
Well, here we are in the northwest corner of Costa Rica in the Guanacaste region in the beach town Playas del Coco.
How are you? Nice to see you again.
You're the same.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Nice to see you, Mari.
Nice to see you too. Thank you for having us here today.
I would first like to start by thanking you so much for taking the time out today to show us around Coco and the surrounding areas.
I'm very happy for the opportunity.
I'd like you all to meet Brenes. She is the owner of Palms Real Estate here in Playas del Coco, and she is the best, if not the second best, third best, I say the best agent in Coco. So I highly recommend, if you enjoy this video and you're thinking of coming down, please approach Mari and we'll have all under the contents underneath. But Mari is going
So my plan today is to show different ideas. We have a lot of new construction going on around the area. So I would like to show you some of the new construction. Of course, Las Palmas, that is a very big neighborhood here in the area. And there is also a lot of exciting things happening around, right in front of El Pueblito, where there is a lot of restaurants. They're building a new office center. In front of the beach, there's a beach club coming. It's on the plans and they're working on that just for fun to know things that are happening around here. We are going to go to Pacifico. That is also a very big landmark, let's say, here in the area. Coco Bay, also lots of construction happening. And Clara Hermosa, that is a community next to Pacifico, is very nice. Also, we're gonna go there. And
so we're going to cover a wide gamut of price ranges too. So
correct.
for everyone's price point. So we will be at a lower end, a mid and in the high end.
And there are some options too that they offer seller financing, because to get a loan for residents in Costa Rica is not impossible, but it's very hard. So some developers or sellers are offering financing with 50% down, normally up to 3 years, and our interest rate in Costa Rica is a little bit high. In the banks, it's around the 8% to 9%. So seller financing here is normally also around the 8.5%. But it's an option. Obviously, if somebody can get a better, if they look to finance and they can get a better credit of line in their contract, a better interest rate, then that will open more options if you are considering to buy here. And there is options from little, call it little studios, walk to the beach, from let's say 75,000 in the area, and then it can go up to big houses and over $1 million and up.
So it's not only the sales side, Mari also has a sister company which will handle your rental units. So if you do happen to purchase here and you want a management company to handle you, Mari can give you a little quick and dry that she can handle all that for you also.
Yes, we have a little rental office. His name's Summertime, and we are going to introduce them to you. We specialize mainly in the area of Las Palmas because for us it's easier to have a golf cart and a cleaning ladies and things like that. So if you buy around this area, we could help you. And if not, there's also a lot of other companies that offer the same service. And if you are interested to buy, let's say, a house in Playa Hermosa or Playa Panama that is a little bit farther, there is also a lot of good companies that we can help you recommend depending on your needs.
As you can see, Mari is a wealth of knowledge for every aspect of the real estate business. So, and just to give you a little cut and dry, give me a little bit of your background, Mari. How long have you been in the business? It is your business, it is your brokerage firm.
So thank you very much. And so I moved to Playa del Coco in 2008, and I worked for another real estate company, and then we opened Pound in 2009. And we started by, having our first listing and our first property management, and suddenly we start to kind of build a business, and thank you to our clients. That is our base. And now, after many years, we're very happy to be here, and we are Costa Rican owned. I am from Costa Rica. My brother works also in the office, and we have a good mix of agents are from the US, Canada, Costa Rica, speak Spanish, English, maybe some French, not a lot. So little by little trying to have a good mix of team in the area and
Very good. Mari's very, very well
Oh
connected.
no, very well connected. So if you come down here and want to make any kind of deal, you will not have a language barrier, you will not have a knowledge barrier. Mari covers all those aspects.
I only speak too fast.
She speaks too fast, so we're gonna slow this video down. No, just joking, just joking.
So Mari's taking us over to the rental agency that she has, and it is in a little plaza called Pueblito South. And we're just gonna come in, and here's her staff and her team. Say hello.
How are you? We are here now at summertime. This is our sister company of property management and rentals at Palm Real Estate.
Okay.
Catherine assists us with a little bit of everything, like coordinate repairs, cleaning, accounting. She's one of our longest persons working for the companies. And then Vlad also does a little bit of everything. He assists a lot of the clients that have rentals in Airbnb, check-ins, check-outs, and also assists the clients to find rentals for long-term or short-term.
So Vlad, what service is it that you provide new owners that, you know, or even older owners, people who own here in Coco and they are international people?
We are the eyes of the owners here in Costa Rica, so we give our best to make their experience in Costa Rica more reliable.
Reliable, excellent.
More reliable.
Yeah.
We provide services for maintenance, cleaning, and rentals. And the best of us is that we show our professionalism, okay? And that makes us to be one of the most important property management companies in Coco.
There you go.
If you are looking for high quality property management service in Playas del Coco, choose summertime rentals and management.
Thank you now.
Vlad is gonna go take you to see a few of the rentals in Las Palmas that we have, like a Sunset 58 and a condo in Jade Beach.
Okay, join me. Now we are heading to one of our condos. It is JA9.
The complex has parking, which is really good. So this is just an example of a rental that they have here in Playas del Coco in Las Palmas, which is the community in Playas del Coco that a lot of people from North America or even Europe come and stay. Beautiful pool. Okay, Vlad is just sharing with us that here in this complex, which is called Jade, is a 2-story unit. So what happens in a lot of these locations here, foreigners buy properties in these condominium complexes like this, and then they use a company like Summertime, a management company, to maintain the their unit.
Handle their rental unit. So they'll acquire the renter for you. They'll do the changeover, bring them in, check them out on the way out, check the unit, make sure it's clean. All those services is what Summertime tend to offer. So they're liaison. So this is how many bedrooms would you say this is?
Okay, it has 2 bedrooms. Okay, 1 downstairs and 1 upstairs. Here you are going to find the spare bedroom or the guest room. Okay, with the corresponding bathroom. Okay, on the 2nd floor we have a 2nd bathroom and the master bedroom.
So it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So this can accommodate 4 people.
Okay, Vlad, we still haven't gone upstairs to take a look, but we're going to take a look. If you can give us an idea of what this 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, 2 floors here in Jay roughly would cost, let's say in high season.
Okay, well, the prices ranges between $2,200 to $3,000 per month. So, and it includes taxes, utilities, okay, and cleaning fee.
It all includes that.
So
Yes.
it's all
Oh,
inclusive.
that's great.
So
I
there's no
love
added
that.
charges. Okay.
Yeah, because other agencies, it's like plus, plus, plus,
Plus,
plus,
yeah.
plus.
Plus,
Yeah,
yeah.
excellent. So there's a bathroom right at the top of the stairs, and
In here we have the master bedroom.
master bedroom. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, lovely. With a wardrobe, TV, AC. Excellent. Nice bathroom again, and with a shower. Lovely.
And in your own private balcony with a gas barbecue and a table.
And for your weekend gatherings, so you have
This is lovely.
Yes, with a great view of
Look
the
at
pool.
that beautiful view of the pool.
Oh, very nice. It's very nice.
Excellent. I like
And
it.
very reasonably priced. Oh no, definitely.
I'm a little aware of this complex, so I do know that you don't always have to go through these stairs to get up to the complex, that there is a driveway and another gated area that you can walk through without having to do all these stairs. So this unit has a rooftop terrace with ocean views. Excellent. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is a much bigger unit.
it's much bigger unit. It is 2-bedroom,
2-bedroom, 2-bath.
3-bath.
3 bathrooms. Beautiful.
So we have the first one here downstairs.
Wow.
Well, 2.5 bathrooms.
2.5. So there's the powder room. Excellent. Look at the beautiful furniture here. It's beautiful. Beautiful marble countertops. Full-size stove. Beautiful. And it has its own laundry facility as well. Beautiful. And then the second floor.
This is here the guest room.
Beautiful.
Has also small balcony, and the bathroom is full bathroom.
Well, isn't this interesting? So you have a double bed or queen size bed, it looks like. Yep, AC. And then a twin here. It has access to a balcony. Isn't that beautiful? Very nice. And then the
Welcome
master
to the
bedroom.
master bedroom.
Lovely. And it has its own bathroom. Master bath. Beautiful. Wow. Lovely. And again, it has a wardrobe. Beautiful bed. Windows and balcony. Wardrobe. And very tastefully decorated. And it has a rooftop terrace, and this is not even the rooftop terrace. Wait till we get up there. Okay, rooftop terrace. Wow. Incredible. View of the mountains. Aren't those mountains just stunning? And a view of Turtle Island there in the Bay of Coco. Just beautiful. And a lounge area. With a sink, a bar, fridge. Beautiful. So Vlad, what would a unit, this would be considered a luxury unit.
Luxury.
Yeah, so it has the rooftop terrace with all the amenities up there.
It's 3 bedrooms, 3 baths.
No, 2 bedrooms,
3 baths.
2.5 baths.
Baths.
Okay.
And this is a gated community.
Yes,
It
full
is.
security.
Yeah.
You have access to 4 pools.
Yeah,
Mhm.
very good. And it has its own laundry on the main level.
It has its own
Yeah.
laundry.
And full-size appliances. So what would something at this level cost, let's say in high season, for 1 month?
Okay, the price would range between the 3,500 to 4,500 a month. Okay, and again, it includes the utilities, the taxes, and the cleaning.
So it's all in pricing.
Excellent, great.
Okay. So I want to say thank you very much, Vlad, for taking us around, showing us 2 rental
you.
properties.
you.
Vlad gave us an interesting comment, and I'd like him to repeat it. I asked him about next year's bookings, and this is what he said.
We are very happy to announce that we have the 90% of our units rented for next year. And that makes us very happy because our clients
Are happy.
Are happy with her. Isn't that fantastic to hear?
Yeah.
Just goes to show you that summertime service is A1. If you got a 90% booking rate already,
and the most important, they are our clients, not any platform, not any other agent. They are summertime clients.
There you go.
Great.
Thank you very much.
Hope you enjoyed part 1 of 2 of our mini-series on accommodations in Playas del Coco. Next week, Mari Brenes of Palms Real Estate will share the real estate scene here in Coco. In the meantime, check out our socials, Instagram, Facebook, and of course YouTube Shorts for daily tidbits. And if you've enjoyed our vlog, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It really does help our channel. Pura vida, everyone.